The embodiment of the AI is the big challenge for the next and the midterm future.
We are in Oversonic Robotics. We are dedicated to the development of humanoid robotics, industrial machine empowered by AI, which enable the support of humans in all kind of activities where humans risk their safety, both in terms of mental and physical health. The goal for the company is to continue the development and the deployment of this new technology according to, of course, the certification, the rules which today are in place, both in the industrial and the healthcare sector, according to the ethical aspects and safety of these machines, with the, let's say, challenge to compete in a worldwide arena, which today counts on many different big players, both from Asia and from the United States. We are extremely happy today with the presence of ENEA Tech and Biomedical within the shareholders of the company, because we can reinforce and focus again the development, the direction of our vision and mission in the healthcare business, where we started in 2020 as a key factor for the development of Oversonic, and where we foresee a very high level of demand in the market.
So why we choose the human form for our robots? And basically because the world is built around humans. So everything is built in the form factor which is addressed to be used by humans. And this is the way to be immediately active on use cases that could be industrial or in healthcare, where everything is made to measure for humans. We do not require any modification to the infrastructure because we have already a shape that was thought to be used in the plant. So that's why we use a humanoid form. Introducing our technology, it's a way to make the production more efficient, because our robots are able to work 24/7 without interruption, thanks also to swap battery system that we design. So the robot can go to a swap battery station when the battery is almost empty and proceed with the swap of the batteries with the charged one. This ensures continuous operation. Another thing that we developed to ensure continuous operation is an automatic tool changer, where the robots can go and change its end effector, so it sends to work on another task. In this way, the robot is independent by human intervention, and it can change tasks daily without any added intervention. In the healthcare section, our first application is the monitoring of patients. So the robot is able to interact and connect with existing machines in the hospital or in the facility, is able to read the data and send alerts to doctor if any anomalies is detected, is able to update the doctors on the general status of the patients as a first application. In the second phase, we aim to let the robot interact directly with the patients. One example is rehabilitation, so both physical rehabilitation, where the robot can show the exercise to the patients and monitor that the patient through its sensor is doing the correct exercise and correct in case it needs, but also for neurological rehabilitation, so people affected by deficiencies in cognitive deficiencies like Parkinson or Alzheimer can benefit by interacting with the robot to stimulate neurological interaction. So through conversation, through LLMs, the robot is able to talk with the patient, understand what the patient is saying, and stimulate the patient through logical exercises. Software updates are normally OTAs, so over the air, in our standard installation. For some customers that require a secluded environment for sensitive data, then we use different approaches.
The embodiment of the AI is the big challenge for the next and the midterm future. And now we are doing the first step for allowing all of us to deploy this kind of technology better and better. But behind what we do, it's very basic to have a vision. The vision behind what we can drive us to commit and to create better environments, better technologies in order to improve our society, our a relationship, and all the scenario that we daily manage around technology.